Another HandbagCrave unboxing. What could it be? Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure that you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. Today I have another unboxing for you from HandbagCrave, and the box got a little messed up because we have Amazon package lockers in our apartment building where all the packages go, and this got jammed into a little package locker that was a bit too small for it. So yeah, I'm not worried about the bag though. I know these are packed really well and it should be just fine. So while I'm cutting into the box, I want to address, there's tape stuck to my little cutter thing. Several people, every time I post one of these HandbagCrave unboxings, people ask about shipping times. The shipping, in my experience, usually takes about a month, but with the pandemic right now, and these bags are shipping from China, it's taking a little longer in many cases. Like this bag, for example, took longer, partly because it got stuck in customs in California. And I actually had one person who I'm going to talk about in my next mean comments video. Most of those comments actually aren't mean, they're just people who, I don't know, if they're not being considerate, they're not living in reality, it depends. But this person had ordered a bag from HandbagCrave and it was taking a little longer than a month to arrive. And he was complaining about it and saying he actually went to all of my HandbagCrave videos and left negative comments about HandbagCrave and about me, saying that I shouldn't be promoting them because his bag is late. And I tried explaining to him that there's a pandemic happening right now, and the fact that he had a tracking code meant that HandbagCrave gave the package over to the shipper, so they did their job. Once the bag is in the hands of the shipper, it is out of HandbagCrave's hands. They are not the shipper. They cannot expedite your shipment at that point. He didn't seem to understand or agree that it was not HandbagCrave's fault that his bag was arriving late. I don't know, what are you supposed to say to that? Someone who's not listening to logic and reason. Anyway, just be aware that if you're ordering right now during everything that's going on, that it may take a little longer than a month for your bag to arrive. All right, this is taped up really well, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the tape off and get this bag off. I do see a horse and some scarves down there, which is nice. Those hadn't been available for a little while. I've mentioned this before, also because of the pandemic, because the factory wasn't able to make them. Here's the little horse charm, very cute. I think I already have this exact color combination. And then let's see, I got two of these black and white scarves, and I've said before, I really prefer the higher end scarves, the quality of those, so these I'll give away, but I do think it's nice that they include them. Oh, and don't forget I have a discount code for HandbagCrave. It's autumn10, I'll link it below. Use that for 10% off anything on their website, except I don't think it works on sale items, but it works on everything else. Inside the plastic bag, you have this HandbagCrave dust bag, and then inside that, you have another dust bag, and inside that, you have the bag itself, which is wrapped in, well, not wrapped, but front and back, there's some cardboard on it. Ooh, can you guess what bag this is? Cardboard off. There we go. This is the Birkin style bag. I think it's called the Katie on HandbagCrave. I may be wrong. I will link it below. And this is in the tan brown with the white stitching and the gold hardware. And they do have this felt piece there too, which is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get the outside all unwrapped. It is just lovely. I love this color combination, and I like the white stitching with it because it makes it feel a little more casual too. So let me get the outside unboxed and then we'll take a look. And here is the bag all unwrapped. Give you a little spin there. It's so pretty. I will say that the one downside of getting a bag with contrasting stitching is that you can see all the little flaws and the double stitching. Now, double stitching is normal. Some people see this on like their Louis Vuitton bags and they wonder if it's authentic because there will be like a single thread in the stitching, and then they'll see some places where there are two threads, and that's normal for sewing. That's a way that you secure the ends of your stitches. So very pretty. I'd also like this with silver hardware. That would be nice too. I may need to get one. And I'll say too that HandbagCrave does send me handbags to review, but this one I purchased myself. I think I got it on sale. And I've been wanting this color in a Birkin style bag for quite a while. This, if I didn't mention already, is the 30cm bag. And then inside, they have it stuffed with a few things, so let me take that out and show you what's in there. There's air paper to keep its shape, more air paper. And then here's the baggie that has the handle and the clochette and the lock and key. Inside the bag on the front wall, there's one big slip pocket. In the back wall, there's a zippered pocket. The outside of the bag is leather, the inside is synthetic. Let me take all this out and set the bag up and show you. Why did I wait this long to get this color? I think this is my favorite Birkin dupe that I have. I love this color combination. And I think I definitely have to get one with the silver hardware. Same size, same color, just the hardware difference. Now this is interesting. I was noticing that on the bottom of the feet of this bag, and I've noticed this on one other Birkin style bag that I got from them recently. I think it was the black with silver hardware. They usually have tape on the feet on the bottom, but instead they had these little plastic feet that just pull right off. It's much easier to get off than tape. And I just noticed something else about this bag, and now I need to go check my other locks. Look at this lock. As far as I can remember, all the other locks I have an additional line across here to make an H, like the Birkin locks. This one doesn't have that, and I like that because that was the one thing I've never liked about these Birkin dupes, is that they had that H logo. I really like that this does not have that. So here's the bag with the lock and clochette on it. Very pretty. And here it is with the horse. I like the monochromatic feel to that. And what's great about the 25cm and the 30cm Birkin dupes from HandbagCrave is that they do come with a shoulder strap. And it attaches to the sides of the bag. So there's a grommet there. This one is toward the back of the bag, and then the other side, the grommet's toward the front. And because of that, I point this out every time, it makes the bag hang kind of wonky. So if you don't like that, it's something to be aware of. I don't like it, but you know, maybe with weight in the bag, it would hang a little straighter. So like I said, the 25 and 30cm both have the shoulder strap. The 35cm does not have that. So that's something to be aware of too. Oh, I really love this one. I love the color combination. Again, why did I wait so long to get that? And I must have it in the silver hardware. I'm just gonna keep saying that 30,000 times. I just went and checked the locks on my other bags from HandbagCrave. They do all have that H logo. So this is the first one that I've received from them that doesn't have it. I really like it. How do you feel about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Can't stop looking at it. Really nice. I tell you what, I have accumulated a lot of bags during quarantine. I'm afraid to even count. And I'm not taking any of them out for the foreseeable future because I'm only taking a clear plastic Chanel dupe that I have. I'll link that below too, because that's a bag that I can wipe down. And I don't want to have to wipe these. Oh, speaking of, I saw something on Facebook recently where people have been using disinfectant wipes, like chemical wipes, on their Louis Vuitton coated canvas bags, and it eats away at the coating on the canvas, so don't do that. Please be very careful if you're taking your luxury bags or any bag out. Personally, what I recommend right now, if you're taking a handbag outside of your house and you plan to wipe it down, is a clear plastic inexpensive bag like the Chanel one that I will link below. But I will also link this below. I'm in love with it. It's really one of my favorites. I don't know, there's something about it that's just doing it for me. It's the classic, right? The black and gold or black and silver, and this color which Hermes calls gold, similar color with the gold hardware or the silver hardware. No wonder I like it. I like classic bags, right? Beautiful. I'm very happy with it. Remember to go to handbagcrave.com. I'll link them below and use my code autumn10 for 10% off. And then remember, you're in for a wait. It's worth it. I've been really happy with all of my bags from HandbagCrave. I've asked you guys to tell me what bags you want to see me review from them, and you told me. So I just sent them the list of those, and I'm sure they're gonna start sending me more bags. So I look forward to sharing those with you. All right, I hope you're all doing well and safe and happy and not too bored and unmotivated. And I hope you're doing well. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you back here next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye.